Good morning, Real Eagles. My name is Daniel Gayfield, your ASB president.
And my name is Megan Vasquez, VP of Activities.
Attention juniors and seniors, if any of you guys are interested in going to college, University of Redlands, New Mexico University, or University of California, Merced will be coming very soon. So if you guys have any additional information about that event, see Ms. Christensen and the guidance office.
All students, for those of you who have always wanted to showcase your talent, here is your chance. Lancaster High School is hosting our soon-to-be annual talent show, Eagles Got Talent. We'll be here on September 13th. Sign-ups will be on September 5th and 6th in the quad.
Anyone want to be in the courtroom or just study law? If so, mock trial will meet every Tuesday in room 221 from 2:45 to 4 o'clock p.m. For any questions, see Mr. Kinderman in room 221.
Attention seniors. This is the last week to turn in your senior lunch pass applications to qualify for off-cast lunch pass. Applications are due Friday, September 6th by 3 p.m. in the activities office.
Anyone like to join esports club? If so, it kind of makes it easier to compete in schools, to have the ability to win scholarships, dope gear, and free school apparel.
Attention all working minors. For the next 2 weeks, Mrs. Bean will be in room 218 on Mondays from 1:30 to 3 p.m. to issue your work permits. Please give your completed work permit application to Ms. Gale at the switchboard in the front lobby. She will have them ready after school on Monday, September 11th. If you missed her on Monday, September 11th, see her on Friday, September 6th during both lunches.
Eagles, this year we're trying to be very engaged on what we're doing. For example,
that means talking more to your teachers, asking questions, and as well talking to your fellow classmates.
Attention all students. Back to school night is on September 5th at 5:30. We will have sign-ups in the quad for the talent show.
Attention all students. Anyone interested in CSF? Remember, application deadline is this Friday, September 6th. Check your student email for the details. Need help with the application or have questions? Come by the theater after school, September 6th, for last information session with Ms. Vadioni.
If we have any girls interested in girls basketball, the trials will actually be on Saturday, September 7th from 9 to 11 a.m. in the big gym. There also will be additional tryouts on September 9th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. and September 11th, 12th, and 13th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. in the large gym. Make sure to be cleared for those additional tryout dates.
Attention all students. ASB will have a table at Back to School Night. Feel free to visit us for ASB cards and LNHS gear.
Now it's time for our actual PSAT time, so
take it away, Mr. Bailey.
All right, welcome to another day of a helpful PSAT review problem. You can find this problem on it's the second problem in your PSAT booklet. We're being asked to solve a system of equations, and after doing that, taking our answers that we get for x and y, multiplying them together to find our answer. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get this system ready by getting the x's and y's to line up. So I needed those x's and y's to line up, so what I did was I minused the 3y over, and that changed this top equation to look like that. The next thing we need to do is we need to multiply to get the y's or x's able to be canceled out. So if I multiply the top equation by 2, I get this new system over here. And notice that the y's have the same number, but they're opposite signs. So now I'm ready to combine the equations together. That causes the y's to go away, and I'm left with 9x equals 18, which means x equals 2. The next thing I need to do now is plug in to find the y value. And after you plug in your x value, you go ahead and solve for y. After you solve for y, you're going to go ahead and take your answers for x and y and multiply them together. So after we multiply x and y together, we end up with a final answer of 1/2, and we go ahead and identify the correct solution. And that's it.
Attention baseball players. If you are interested in playing fall baseball, there is a mandatory players meeting Thursday, September 5th. The meeting will be in the small gym during both lunches A and B. And remember, Eagles, last but not least, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.